everyone, I'm Amy with craftcuts.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable custom name sign. Using the round wood name sign kit from craftcuts.com, I'll walk you through the steps of how to paint and assemble this beautiful personalized decor that will look great in any nursery or kids room. First, let's start with the materials you'll need. Our custom round wood name sign kit available on craftcuts.com, some acrylic paint, wood stain, foam brushes, a rag, a little sandpaper, wood glue or school glue, and masking tape. Our circle name sign kit includes 2 names in the fonts of your choice. The name size will vary based on the number of letters in the name, what looks best on the circle, and how you would like them sized. The kit includes an 18 or 22-inch circle for you to apply the names to. All the wood in the kit are cut from our popular Baltic Birch and arrive ready to paint or stain. Let's get started. First, I'm going to stain the wood circle. I'm using a golden oak color to create a nice base coating. I'll apply my stain following the manufacturer directions specific to the product. I'm going to set this aside to dry while I paint my letters. Now it's time to get some color on these names. I'm going to paint the name Rhett in white and the name Robert in navy. When painting wood letters, you want to focus on the dark edges first to ensure great coverage. You'll start by using the foam brush and acrylic paint to carefully cover just the edges of your letters. Once dry, sand any uneven paint buildup on the front of the letter using a 220 grit sandpaper. This will make the front nice and smooth. Next, paint the face of the letters. Go ahead and coat the letters using a foam brush and acrylic paint. This will take 2 to 3 thin, even coats. Now that everything is stained and painted, I'm going to prepare my board for the letters. A Mylar template of your letters will come with your kit. Use this template to find a perfect placement on the wood circle. Once you're satisfied with your placement, use masking tape to hold it in place. I'm going to leave this template on as I glue my letters. Next, using wood or school glue, attach the letters one at a time by applying glue to the back and placing the letter on the board inside the designated spot of the template. Once the glue is dry, carefully slide the template off to reveal your perfectly placed names. And you're done, a gorgeous name sign that will truly shine in any kids' room or nursery. We'd love for you to give this a try. As always, our customer service team is here to help if you have any questions. See you next time.